My hair is coming back, baby. It's coming back. I've been using it for 4 or 5 months now, so some of my hair growth has really come back a lot, but all of these pieces continue to grow in and you really can see how they are getting healthier, getting better. My name is Kristin Weitzel. I had contracted the virus last year. I noticed extreme amounts of hair falling out of my head. And I have to admit, I got quite emotional about it quite often, not knowing what was going on, not having the answers, not knowing who to turn to, having some really teary days and nights about what was going on, because I, like many women, I'm a big blonde curly haired girl, and I really love that part of my existence and my aesthetic. I am a biohacking coach, a women's health coach, a breath worker, and I am consistently on camera and in front of people and needing to show up as my best, healthiest self. If you're like me, you might be feeling a little emotional or a little confused as to where to turn, because let's face it, there's a world of marketing out there that is just hype, or maybe it's something that's like slightly effective, but it's not going to be holistically effective to what you're trying to do. And so I had tried other products a little bit in the shower, things you put on when your hair is wet. It didn't really seem, there's just a serum. I didn't want to do anything that was heavily pharmaceutical in any way, so I was using natural things that they weren't helping at all. It felt like a lot of sort of marketing mumbo jumbo, and I didn't see any success from those products. And then comes FullyVital. Now, FullyVital, I want to talk to you about the thing I'm advising you as someone who's been through using this and understanding how it works. Number one, you want to get the whole kit, because the kit is what works in combination to help you regrow the hair, to stop the thinning process, and to really give you the robustness that you're starting to see. Because I've been using it for 4 or 5 months now, so some of my hair growth has really come back a lot, but all of these pieces continue to grow in and you really can see how they are getting healthier, getting better. And after about 4 months, I was like, I'm back, baby, because when you start to energetically realize that the roller and the serum and the brushing and then these supplements that you take every single day, when you start to realize that this entire kit works for you and you see the regrowth happening and you see the thickness coming back, and it's little by little, but when you're paying attention to the simple consistencies of using FullyVital in your hair, on your head, using the golden grow roller, and following and adhering to the protocols, then you will have this moment of excitement where you start to see things shifting. And as the baby hairs grow back and as your hair is getting more robust and feeling like it is growing and less thinning is happening, you begin to energetically celebrate that your hair is back, baby, your hair is coming back. And then your body and your cells and everything recognizes that it can work in tandem with this beautiful hair care, hair regrowth system in a way that lets you walk out the door and be confident, lets you feel positive again, doesn't get you kind of stuck in the loop of worrying about, is more hair gonna fall out or what's gonna happen? So if you're even considering any products on the market, any support tools to be able to help stop the thinning or regrow your hair, stop right now. This is the product. I know it's challenging to hear if you don't know me as a person, if you don't know the work that I do, and that I'm just somebody on your screen, but I'm here to tell you that I was at the end of my rope, not knowing where to turn, and that this product line really turned around both my emotional state, the way I felt about hair loss, and really seeing something that I could believe the results were possible with a system that's this easy to weave into my life. So if you're thinking about exploring FullyVital or you're trying to make a decision, I'm telling you right now, this is the one. This is the one. So check out FullyVital. Regrow that hair, stop the thinning, stop the worry, and live into your best self with your best head of hair.